What's up guys? Yeah, bumalik na yung king ng pinakabatang pinakamagaling na producer sa Pilipinas. But yeah, ito yung pinakaunang video ko sa 2020. Late uploads to. Yung video to is like months, days ago. It's like mga January ata ito nagawa, like mid-January yung video to. Nag-record lang kami sa bahay na kaibigan ko. And like this video and the following videos coming up, yun yung mga videos na nagawa ko from mid-January hanggang yung nakita kami ni Nick. Kasi di ko nga na-edit yung mga videos kasi yung laptop yung isa, iniwan ko dun sa bahay na kaibigan ko kasi wala siyang laptop dun na may FL Studio. So yeah, enjoy this video, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, welcome sa mga baguhan dito. Ako pala si Sage, music producer, video creator. I don't know. I'm an artist. I do everything. So yeah, enjoy this video. Subscribe kayo. Suporta 2020 bro. Let's go bro. Sheesh. Alright guys, welcome to another video. Karating ko na ng bahay from work. Today is Sunday, 11:30 p.m. Like I said, I just got up from work. And in-invite ako ng kaibigan ko. Pumunta kami sa studio. Studio meaning like parang bahay lang ng kaibigan ko. Like nasa basement lang. And I'm trying to pack everything up right now. Kasi dadalhin ko to lahat. To kasama na yung mic sa bahay nila. So, give me like 10 minutes. That's my mom right there. Say what's up to my flex fan, ma. Hey, ma. They can't see you, ma. Yo, this is why I don't vlog at home, bro. You should be looking at me, man. Like this, she's weird. But yeah, next clip is me. Probably nasa sasakyan na ng kaibigan ko. Nasa sasakyan na ng kaibigan ko. There you go. And yeah, like, share, subscribe before we go to the video, you know what I mean? We be going up right now, but we're almost reaching 3K. Alright guys, apparently kanina pa sila nasa baba. Apparently, alam ko na kanina pa sila nasa baba kasi sinendan na ako ng text message. And I was like, I'm not ready yet. We're Filipino. We're always late to some shit, bro. But yeah, papunta na ako sa sasakyan. Alright, there you go. Here's my friend's whip. My bad, bro. Late as shit. Besides, what, Postmates?
No, well, yeah, besides Postmates this weekend.
What the hell?
Yeah, such a surprise, man. So I had to change my hours at Sweet Green. So now I'm working,
What? Maryland pays more than DC now?
well, I think that particular job, I guess.
What job? Oh, like apartment? What is it? Like hotel? You say? Bruh. Oh. I don't use Mac, bro. My bad. 147.
Goodness gracious.
I'm dead.
I bet.
Yeah.
I'm not having Litzy near one of my fucking songs. Not Litzy. Litzy out here sound like a dying cat, nigga. Litzy will fuck my shit up, you know?
Oh,
Alright, let's go. I need help. Oh, shit.
bro,
shit,
I'm trying
nigga.
to sit down.
You trying, but you ain't. Oh, shut up, Litzy. Oh, again, give me a fucking heads up.
I said we're recording, bro.
No, bomba clock.
Nah, bro. I said we're recording.
Well,
Like.
guess what? From the top.
Alright. We're recording now, alright? Offbeat, bro. Offbeat.
What the world?
We're just gonna delete that part, I think. But this part right here is good. Yeah. That part is good too. But that. My bad, bro. My bad,
I'ma
bro.
fuck you up.
My
Put
bad,
you
bro.
in your socket.
My bad, bro.
And I'ma end you like 8 ball corner pocket. And I'ma put your
Damn.
heart in a locket.
No, the first time, that was a bar. You gonna end you like 8 ball quarter. Damn. Oh,
Fuck y'all niggas, man. Let's go.
Alright, recording.
Yeah, wide out the socket.
We're good,
And I suck my dick.
what? God.
What?
No. I mean, it is 2020.
Wait, what, nigga?
I mean, if you got blood of milk
Fuck
There you go.
my dick backwards in the parking lot.
No?
What?
She ain't doing it right there. Pause. That bitch a freak. Trying to count sheep.
Alright.
Trying to get some sleep.
This part right here, after this part.
Like I'm calling game, 8 buck on a pocket. All this drip on me, just like a faucet. Again, I do it again. It's me and my man. I fucking be friends.
Oh
Why'd you turn the beat off, Xander? Like, what the fuck? Like,
Bruh, because you were asking me what part.
I give a flying
Bruh.
fuck. Damn it, mom. Like, shit, man. Like, no, you stupid bitch. I want the Xbox One in white, not black. I don't like black. Duh.
Bars.
Lawrence Carter. Hey, Miss Carter. Yeah, that's Sammy Wilder, bro. I was laughing my ass off.
Are we gonna listen to this shit, bro?
Hey, look, it's me saying words that rhyme. Look, here goes. I do it again. It's me and my man. We'll shoot at your friends. No time for amends. The Lord is my kin. Forgive me again, please. I did it again. This shit do not end. This shit just a start. Cannot fall apart. This shit go. This ain't the end. Did I hear a bird in the back?
What?
Did I hear a bird in the back? Like Tweety in the back? What the fuck? No, nigga, we already did a chorus though.
Oh, right here?
Yes.
I'm dumb.
That's the chorus. So like, I'm not gonna re-record something that we have.
I'm dumb as shit, bro. My bad.
Yeah, clearly, my nigga.
Too bright. Are we going?
I was down bad, just needed a friend. I told her for love whenever you can. We in the bands, did it again. She don't understand, you holding my hand. Yeah, baby, we fly high. Yeah, when we gon' land on the beach in Miami. Her feet all up in the